have a P0204 cylinder 4 injector control circuit and a P0300 engine misfire detected. So I need to check the wiring from the ECM to the number 4 injector, and I got cylinder 2 is pin 12 to 16, 4 is 3 to 7, and cylinder 6 is 1 to 5. So I should be getting an ohm reading of 1.2 to 1.5 ohms, give or take. The biggest thing we're looking for is making sure we don't have a dropout. Still have all the injectors plugged in. I've removed the ECM connector, and we're going to do some testing. So we got cylinder 2, it's 12 and 16, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 and 16. So we got 1 ohm, and it's not dropping out. So let's go to pin or cylinder 4. It's 3 and 7. We got 1.5. If I wiggle the harness, it drops out. Goes OL. Right there in that little right here in this T area is where it keeps dropping out. Put that there. You can see right when I wiggle. Right in there. So they're breaking the wiring for number 4. So we need to replace that connector. Cut back the insulation, find the wires, cut them, solder them, heat shrink, put it back together, and then that should take care of that. So I got the wire loom pulled back for number 4 injector, and if I wiggle the wiring, you can see the ohm readings go all over the place. And what I found when I unwound this wire out of that loom was there was a piece of black electrical tape really tight right there at the end of my thumbnail. And for whatever reason, that caused these wires to flex right there and literally broke the wire. This one's pretty much there as well. I can feel it with my fingers. But yeah, just the vibrations of the truck caused that wire to snap. I am assuming it's the same for every injector. These are wound together and then they put a piece of tape right there. So we'll cut her back to here and then wire in a new pigtail.